You are managing Microsoft Fabric deployment pipelines that include development, test, and production stages, with a dedicated workspace assigned to each. You must grant Power BI developers the ability to execute deployments to the development and test stages while explicitly blocking them from deploying content to the production stage. Following the principle of least privilege, which three of the following access levels are required to accomplish this configuration?
The available options are: Option A, build permission for semantic models in the production workspace. Option B, admin access to the deployment pipeline. Option C, viewer permissions for the development and test workspaces. Option D, viewer access to the production workspace. Option E, contributor access to the development and test workspaces. Option F, contributor access to the production workspace.
I believe the correct answer is a combination of options B, D, and E. To successfully manage Fabric deployment pipelines, a user requires specific permissions both on the deployment pipeline object itself and on the workspaces linked to the pipeline stages.
IT instructor explaining a certification exam question to students. Explain which answer is correct and why. Clear, professional, educational. Option B is necessary because admin access to the deployment pipeline allows the developer to trigger and manage the deployment process. Option E, which provides contributor access to the development and test workspaces, is essential to enable the developer to create, edit, and publish content to those specific stages.
Finally, Option D, viewer access to the production workspace, provides the developer with visibility into the production environment without granting the ability to modify or deploy items there. This adheres to the principle of least privilege. Options A, C, and F are incorrect because they either grant excessive permissions or fail to provide the necessary access levels required for the requested tasks.